Hey there, travelers and adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you to one of the most beautiful and vibrant destinations in the Philippines, Cebu. Get ready to explore the top things you absolutely must experience in this tropical paradise. Let's dive right in. Cebu is known for its stunning beaches and crystal clear waters. Don't miss out on a chance to visit places like Malapascua, Bantayan Island, and Moalboal. Whether you're into sunbathing, snorkeling, or diving, these beaches have something for everyone. If you're a thrill seeker, make your way to Oslob, where you can swim alongside the gentle giants of the sea, the whale sharks. It's an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of these magnificent creatures. Cebu has a rich history dating back to the Spanish colonial era. Take some time to explore the historical sites like Fort San Pedro, Magellan's Cross, and the Basilica Minore del Santo Nino. These sites offer a glimpse into the island's past and its cultural heritage. Calling all adventure junkies, Kawasan Falls is a must-visit destination for you. Embark on a thrilling canyoneering adventure as you jump off cliffs, swim through turquoise waters, and marvel at the breathtaking cascades. It's an adrenaline-pumping experience you won't forget. Time to visit the gorgeous Sumulan Island. The sandbar here is picture perfect, and the shallow waters offer a relaxing environment for swimming and snorkeling. Don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture this paradise on film. If you're lucky enough to be in Cebu during January, you can't miss the world-famous Sinulog Festival. This colorful and lively event celebrates the Santo Nino and features street dances, parades, and a festive atmosphere that will leave you dancing along with the locals. A trip to Cebu wouldn't be complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Make sure to try lechon, roast pig, puso, hanging rice, and an array of delicious seafood dishes. The flavors here are sure to tantalize your taste buds. For the hiking enthusiasts, Osmina Peak is a must-visit spot. Trek through beautiful landscapes and be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of Cebu's mountains and coastline from the island's highest point. Get ready to witness an incredible natural phenomenon, the Mole Bowl Sardine Run. Dive or snorkel with millions of sardines as they form mesmerizing schools that gracefully move through the ocean. It's an otherworldly experience that will leave you in awe. Cebu is a true paradise for all types of travelers, from beach lovers and adventurers to history buffs and foodies. This stunning island offers a diverse range of experiences that will leave you with unforgettable memories. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your trip to Cebu and let this magical destination sweep you off your feet. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future travel videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy travels!